Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lewa. Happy New Year to you. I am so glad to be back. I hope you are keeping safe. I'm going to tell you what I do and how I make sure that my shelf is stocked with very good hair products when I cannot find, the Eco Slay or the Honey's Handmade or She Scented, Melanin, all these brands, Ejiro Beauty, Uncle Funky's Daughter. When I don't have access to these products, what do? I'll let you know. Keep watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. For those of you who might not know, I am actually based in Lagos, Nigeria. And if I need any of the products from the brands that I previously mentioned, I have to order them from the US or from the UK. And sometimes just the cost of shipping is more expensive than the product itself. Sometimes it takes up to 3 weeks to get a product. What I love to do, even after watching videos from my favorite YouTubers where they talk about their favorite products of the year, I like to go back to their Holy Grail videos. So their timeless favorite videos. I go to those videos and then I definitely look for YouTubers that have my hair texture. I take notes of the products that are mentioned and I go ahead and check if I have those available in my local store. Sometimes I might not have them. I might go to my local store and ask, do you have Uncle Funky's Daughter? And they're like, no. Who is that? Do you have Ejiro Beauty? Who is she? There are certain products on ground that are tried and tested and highly recommended, which I am going to show you today. I have also tried and I love and I keep going back to. The first product that comes highly recommended is by The Main Choice, and this is from the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration collection. This is the shampoo, and I'm sure you've seen, I've used this so many times on my channel, but this product is always available. I can always find this product. This does not contain silicones. It lasts for a very long time. It contains a lot of plant extract, so it's great at detangling the hair. I still detangle my hair before using this, but even if I don't, it's great at detangling the hair. It leaves my hair very soft. It clumps my curls and makes my curls pop. It's moisturizing, it's gentle on the hair, it leaves my hair soft and shiny. It also contains silk amino acids that actually makes the hair smooth. It makes my hair smooth when I use it. It contains biotin, which helps with hair growth. It's also suitable for all hair types. I always recommend that if you can find a sample of a product, try that first before getting the full size. So a second product that I highly recommend and is easily accessible, it's always on ground, is the Honey and Sage Deep Conditioner by Alicky. This is a trusted, tried and tested deep conditioner that really penetrates the hair and leaves the hair soft. It definitely, like it says, contains honey and sage, and it's not like one of those brands that lists an ingredient at the top, but when you check the ingredients list, it's somewhere at the bottom. I think the honey is the second ingredient and the sage is the fifth ingredient. Sage is fantastic for your scalp. Honey keeps your hair moisturized. It draws moisture, from the atmosphere and keeps it in your hair to keep it soft and hydrated. What I like about this, it's good for straight to kinky hair, and it also comes in different sizes. So you have from 2 ounces to 8 ounces to 16 ounces, and then the salon size as well. Another hair mask or deep conditioner that I absolutely love to use, and this one is, if you watch 5 or 6 Holy Grail videos on YouTube, I can guarantee you that at least one of those videos will have this product mentioned, and that is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture. This one is a holy grail to many, and it has earned the spot over the years. This is a fantastic product. It's just the right amount of thickness, and I believe this is also for all hair types. If you live under a rock, you will find this one under the rock. This product is everywhere, and I use this as my strengthening treatment. So I use it maybe while I use the Alicky every wash day. I might use this one every 5 to 6 weeks. It leaves my hair feeling stronger yet soft, and my hair is incredibly shiny after using this. My curls pop. I like the way it smells. My hair absorbs this product as well. And also, Jamaican Black Castor Oil promotes hair growth. It contains peppermint as well, which is great for the scalp, so it takes care of your scalp and your hair. So the next product is a leave-in conditioner. It reminds many people of the Kinky Curly Knot Today. That one is also a holy grail on many videos. If you watch, several holy grail videos on YouTube, the Kinky Curly will be mentioned. However, the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner is, in my opinion, very, very similar to the Kinky Curly Knot Today. This is marketed for type 4 hair, but I can see here that it's perfect for any curl pattern. So maybe not every hair type, but at least every curl pattern can use it. And what I love the most about this is, for moisture, it's not the best for moisture, but what I like it for, it does the job well. It helps me to smooth my hair strands. Once I apply this, it works as a perfect foundation for my styler, and that is why I use this. It does a great job at that. It detangles my hair beautifully. My hair absorbs this really, really well. It also contains lots of plant extracts, so I believe that is why it has really excellent detangling properties, and it smells divine. It smells so good. If you've used it, it smells really, really good. And unlike the Kinky Curly Knot Today, I believe this one combines well with other products. So next I have a styler, the Coconut Water Style Setter by Camille Rose. When I put this on my hair, it feels like I have just given, when you're so thirsty and you're given a chilled bottle or a glass of water with ice and you drink it, how it quenches your thirst. That is exactly how my hair feels when I put this in. So I always have to regulate the quantity of this product that I use because it is really, really hydrating. So this is great for wash and goes and for twist outs, for roller or rod sets, for ponytails as well. It does clump the curls, but I don't think it does I don't think it leaves the curls super defined, but it does clump the curls, and it leaves the hair silky and soft. It contains plant extracts as well, so this is great for detangling the hair. And as far as I know, it doesn't leave flakes. If you've had that experience, if this has left flakes on your hair, please let me know. This is a multifunctional product, so it can be used as a styler and as a leave-in conditioner. When used as a leave-in conditioner, it does say here that you can use it under the next product I'm going to mention, which is the Curl Maker. It contains pectin, which really forms a film around your hair, a soft film, which leaves your hair flexible, but really locks in the water in your hair so that your hair is hydrated for a long time. It contains plant extracts as well, which help to detangle the hair really, really well. It smells amazing. It leaves the hair smooth, shiny, and it clumps the curls. So even if you're doing the LOC method, for example, and you have a cream which doesn't really give you definition, so some people have said this doesn't give them enough definition, but once you use the curl maker on top of your cream, whether you use the style setter or another cream, this will help to define your curls and to clump your curls. So this gives a soft hold. You won't have like crunchy, you won't have a really hard hold, but you'll have beautifully defined, soft and moisturized curls. Your hair will be moisturized for a very, very long time. I have one more product, which is a very popular sealant, and it is of course the Nourish and Shine Restorative Butter by Jane Carter. This is a very, very, very popular product. It's for the hair and for the skin, and it's great for the scalp. I love that it keeps the hair soft. It smells great as well. It has a very subtle scent. It doesn't bother me, and it does linger a bit before it fades off, but this will also last for a very long time. This is a good product. I mean, if you can get your hands on this, please do. All the products mentioned in this video, I actually purchased here, right here in Lagos, Nigeria. So for the shampoo, this deep conditioner by Alicky, the style setter by Camille Rose, the leave-in by Mielle, and the curl maker by Camille Rose Naturals, I got from Natural Hair Avenue. And I don't know if I mentioned, the curl maker is a gel. I don't think I said that. The curl maker is a gel. Okay, it's a gel. I got all those from Natural Hair Avenue. And then this one, I think I got from either enc.ng, or Prince Abano Supermarket as well. Nourish and Shine I got from Casabella in the Palms. I think I'm going to do a wash day video with these products, showing how I use them, how they work on my hair, so that you know that when I say these products are really good, I know what I'm talking about. I want you to see the results so you can believe me. Anyways, so I would like to know what your products are, your tried and tested products, the products you have on ground. These are foreign brands. I also like to try local brands, so I think that's one of the best things that you can do. Instead of looking out for foreign brands, you can decide to support local brands, and you know that the products are from your area, or those formulating the products have, you know, a proper understanding of the hair texture, the weather, and which ingredients work best. If you haven't subscribed to my channel in 2021, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and of course leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.